How to go live on IG. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can go live on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to go live on Instagram, open up the Instagram application and you will see this type of interface. Now what you have to do is, from the bottom center you'll find the plus button. Tap on the plus button. Now scroll all the way towards the right hand side and you'll actually find the live tab over here. Now if you directly tap on this, you will begin to go live and all your followers will get notified. But if you want to optimize a couple of settings, you can tap the gear icon from the top right hand side. You can go to story, reels, live. You can always start on front camera, left-handed, right-handed, and just view the settings as you see fit. Now if you want to make it private or public, depending upon whom you want to go live for, you can select them. You can tap on this option to add a title about your live and add some brand partners if you're doing a partnership. You can tap on this calendar icon live video to enter the title and start time, and tap on schedule live video as well. The moment you tap on this little button here, you will begin to go live and all your followers are going to get notified. And this way you should be able to go live on IG. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.